Did you know 90% of ceramide creams you buy are actually chemically useless? It sounds crazy, but unless the formulator respects a highly specific mathematical golden ratio, your skin simply rejects them. Let us dive into this fascinating molecular world and unlock this puzzle. Imagine your amazing skin as a sturdy brick wall. Your skin cells are the bricks, but ceramides are the magical, flexible mortar holding everything together. Without this crucial mortar, your skin barrier crumbles, precious moisture escapes into thin air, and irritating invaders sneak right in. We easily manufacture ceramides in giant vats today, mimicking natural ferments. However, there is not just one type of ceramide. There are hundreds. In cosmetic chemistry, we focus on highly specific types. But just slapping these expensive ingredients into a jar is not quite enough. Why? Because your skin is incredibly picky. Think of your natural skin barrier as a beautifully intricate three-dimensional lock. The ceramides we apply must be the absolute perfect puzzle piece to fit inside. If the physical shape is even slightly wrong, it simply bounces off. This exact shape requirement is called stereochemistry. An active ceramide must perfectly mirror your human molecular structure. If a cheap cream uses improperly shaped synthetic ceramides, they will just sit heavily on top of your face, completely unable to integrate into your precious biological wall. But even with the perfect puzzle piece, there is another massive trap. Ceramides naturally hate being alone. To actually repair your skin barrier, they demand to be accompanied by cholesterol and free fatty acids. But they require an exact mathematical arrangement to function correctly. Enter the legendary golden ratio. 3 parts ceramides, 1 part cholesterol, and 1 part fatty acids. When mixed in this precise mathematical harmony, they fuse perfectly, transforming into a beautiful liquid crystal structure that flawlessly mimics your native skin oils. It is pure biological magic. What happens if a brand just throws in random amounts? Absolute chaos. Instead of blending into a smooth, repairing mortar, the ingredients crystallize. They clump together into rigid little microscopic islands, totally useless to your living cells, leaving your face feeling oddly greasy, yet dehydrated. That is why reading the label is vital. I always look for a formula that explicitly mentions this optimal ratio. When inspecting this luxurious product, I can see the perfect chemical synergy suspended within. The formulators respected the complex math to unlock your skin. Let us watch it work! As this perfect golden ratio mixture touches the skin, the barrier recognizes it instantly. The puzzle pieces effortlessly slide into the microscopic locks. The fluid mortar flows between the cellular bricks, sealing every tiny crack and perfectly locking the moisture inside. You might wonder where these clever puzzle pieces come from. Historically, the industry used animal sources, but today we rely on advanced botanical bio-fermentation. By using specific plant bases and yeast, scientists can brew bio-identical ceramides that are completely vegan, highly sustainable, and incredibly effective. Formulating this is a genuine nightmare for chemists because these waxy lipids are notoriously difficult to dissolve. Blending them into a smooth, silky lotion without separating requires intense heat, extreme pressure, and serious expertise. Crafting a genuinely effective barrier cream is a masterpiece of engineering. Once flawlessly integrated, these clever molecules do not just sit there. They actively communicate with your living cells, signaling your biological body to produce even more of its own natural moisture. It is not just a temporary patch. It is an intelligent, long-lasting cellular restoration. To get the absolute best results from your scientifically perfected cream, always apply it to slightly damp skin. This traps a beautiful layer of fresh water underneath that freshly repaired lipid seal, giving you that iconic, bouncy, deeply hydrated glow that lasts throughout the day. So, the next time you shop, remember that beauty is not just about throwing trendy ingredients into a jar. It is about stereochemistry, precise math, and respecting your biology. When science and skincare perfectly align, the results are simply spectacular. Stay curious and keep glowing.